Yes, Mr. Likhase.
Yes, may I please your lordship? My lord, I beg to mention item number 15 to 22, my lord. 15 to 22 of hearing. My lord, similar matter has been pending before the Honorable Supreme Court. So kindly.
15 to
23, my lord.
Mr. Ithiba, what is the matter?
My lord, here the petitioner, they were retired from the service after serving for 35 years on fixed pay. Yes. So single judge has ordered the respondent to consider the petitioner case
So you,
to grant regularization and the pension benefits.
I think there is an appeal no, in the
Yes, my
Supreme
lord.
Court. no?
Yes, my lord.
Yes. After the disposal of the, no? Do you have that appeal number?
Yes, my lord, it is, Tyrene number is 22747.
What about SLP number, appeal number?
SLB number is not there, but only the Tyrene number I've received, my lord. It was filed through e-filing on 13/5/2024.
Okay, so. It is submitted by the learned counsel for the parties. That similar matter is pending in appeal before the Honorable Supreme Court of India. And therefore submits that. The present case may be listed only after the disposal of the appeal by the Supreme Court. Prayer is allowed. List the present writ appeal after the disposal of the case by the Honorable Supreme Court of India. Okay.
Much obliged.
Yes.
Have blessed.
Your Lordship,
Yes.
I beg to mention item 25, Your Lordship. Here also I have a same prayer, Your Lordship. This will be a matter maybe after the disposal, this will be a matter maybe come up.
Okay, ma'am. After disposal. Same. Only thing is that, okay. After item 25, na?
Lordship.
Item 25.
Yes, Lordship.
25 is review.
Yes, Lordship. On the last occasion, Your Lordship is pointed out to take the information regarding the SLB, and then as of no sense it's pending. And then the matter relates to the same matter, same issue.
What is the matter in review?
Review, Your Lordship, they still file an appeal. And then on the basis of that, I file a review, Your.
No, what is the subject matter?
Service regulation for retirement benefits.
Work charge, all this?
Yes, Lordship.
Okay. Same order. Okay.
Obliged, Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item 11 to 13 on behalf of Apila Sanctum. 11, 12, and 13. I pray that the matter may come after 3 weeks.
Mr. Supungwati Jamir, Walling, sorry. Makes a mention on behalf of MS Apila Sanctum, the learned counsel for the
In item number 12 and 13.
learned counsel for the
Appellant, Your Lordship.
appellant.
Yes, Lordship.
No, appellant, there are some,
Item 12 and 13.
the learned counsel for the appellant seeks adjournment of the case for 3 weeks. Prayer is allowed, listed accordingly. Okay.
Lordship, here the BB, the name, my name will be changed in the cost list. PP.
You are the PP?
Yes,
You are appearing as the PP?
yes, Your Lordship. Recently, I have taken over the record.
M.T. Im Sung's name as the Leonard PP for the state respondents shall be reflected in the daily course. Okay.
Obliged, Lordship.
May I please the Lordships?
Yes.
Lordships, I beg to mention item number 24, Lordship. Lordship, if this matter can come up after 2 weeks, Lordship.
Yes.
No objection, Lordship.
Mr. B. Jamomi, the Leonard PP Nagaland seeks adjournment of the case for 2 weeks. Prayer is allowed. Listed accordingly. Okay.
Please, Lordships.
Huh.
My lord, I beg to mention here in item 14, Lordship, that this matter will be listed after 2 weeks, my lord.
CRAP. You are,
I'm for the appellant, Lordship.
your name,
W. Mafra, my name is not reflected in the post list on behalf of my senior Asia.
Mr. So-and-so, Leonard Council makes a mention on behalf of Mr. Ajo. The Leonard Council for the appellant and seeks adjournment of the case for 2 weeks. Prayer is allowed. Listed accordingly. Okay.
Lordship, I also beg to mention item number 5, Lordship, that this matter will be listed on 25th
As
of
per the
September,
list.
Lordship.
As per the list.
May I please, Your Worship,
Hmm.
I beg to mention hearing item 26 to 28. Here, my lord, on 13/12/2023, my lord have directed to list this matter in before other judges, since you are involved during the writ petition.
What is the case?
Lordship,
Mr.
these are homeopathic doctors, Lordship,
Oh,
who were registered in Nagaland.
then
but-
if there is an order, why it is listed? Let us see the order. If there is an order, I think the judicial section is working blindly. Let's say the last order. Did you see? Yes. At least tell them to have a look at the file, not just fling all the files to be listed. Remind them. Okay, listed before any other bench without one of us, within bracket, Mr. Justice Keshan. Okay,
Obliged, Lordship.
No, but
For motion, item number 1.
Your Lordship,
yes,
this is a habeas corpus petition against the detention order of a detainee
where's the detention order?
at the annexure D, page 38.
You are impugning only this detention order?
The other orders, grounds of detention follows in the next
Not
page.
grounds of detention. What about the rejection of your representation? What about the confirmation order? Are you not agree by that?
Your Honor, the main point out here is that the detention order was served when the detainee was on bail,
When the detainee was
when the detainee was on bail,
on
bail. And after the arrest of the detainee, 6 months after the detainee, it was.
So
served on
since
bail.
you have been served with the copies of the rejection order, you have been served with the copies of the confirmation order.
I've placed the orders.
You have placed the orders, but you have not impugned. See your prayer. Your prayer is only to quash the detention order. That's all.
No, in the title is, after the detention order, it's the rejection order, which is at the.
I
page
know.
42.
What is your prayer?
My prayer is to,
Just, that's why I'm saying, read your prayer.
Yeah, issue rule calling upon the respondent to show cause as to why a writ of habeas corpus should not be issued to the said petitioner at liberty for by setting aside the detention order dated 13/5/2024,
Huh?
issued by the Special Secretary Home.
Yes. Thereafter,
Thereafter, issue rules in the nature of certiorari commanding the
Yeah.
respondent to transmit and certify to honorable court and all the reports.
that's why I'm asking you whether you have challenged the order rejecting your representation, whether you have challenged the confirmation order. Why, Mr. So-and-so, why don't you amend your, this writ petition? At
No,
least the
no.
prayer portion?
No, no, I'll do that.
Yes. File an amended petition. You file a petition for amendment of your course title? No, for amendment of your prayer. Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner submits that he may be allowed some time to file an application for amending the relief sought for in the writ petition. Prayer is allowed, listed after a week.
Wonderful. Bless you all.
Yes.
For motion, item number 2.
What is this, madam?
May I please, your lordship, lordship, here there is a delay of 147
Ah.
days in filing the connected appeal, your lordship. Due to the departmental communication, your lordship, the delay has occasioned, but
This appeal is filed by the state.
yes, lordship. Because lordship, by order dated 5/3/2024, the learned single judge had counted the contingency, the full contingency period of the writ petitioner and directed the state government to pay pension as well as family pension to the petitioner, which is contrary to the Central Civil Service pension rules, lordship.
We allow the petition. In fact, it is not necessary to file an application under limitation like in writ petition and writ appeals. Only thing is that if the grounds of delay satisfies the court, that is the only issue. Where have you stated the delay?
Lordship, I have stated in
My
para.
lord,
Four.
continuation, I have no objection.
Yes, we are condoning. Where have you stated?
Page 4, para 4.
Page 4.
Yes, para 4.
Page 4, para 4. Third MS so-and-so, Socrates, V. Socrates. The learned additional advocate general for the state respondents. The application has been filed under section 5 of the Limitation Act 1963, seeking for condonation of delay of 147 days in filing the connected appeal against the
Order dated 5/3.
judgment and order dated 5/3/2024, passed by the learned single judge in WPC 312/2017. Stop. The grounds for the delay has been stated in paragraph 4 of the application. We have perused the application and we are satisfied that The applicant has satisfactorily explained the delay. The delay of 147 is accordingly condoned. IA disposed. In the writ appeal. In view of the order passed by this court in IA 131/2024, the writ appeal is admitted to be heard, listed after 2 weeks.
Lordship, then in the meantime, your Lordship, I've prayed for a stay, so stay may be granted, your Lordship. That is in IA 132.
Yes, Mr. MT.
My lord, the merit itself, my lord.
No, not married. What about the stay?
My lord, there is no reason to interfere with the single judge order. So the question of stay doesn't arise.
No, but so long as, since the appeal is admitted,
My lord,
let us at least hear the appeal on merit.
that is why they keep it open, because it is not, it doesn't have any merit to admit the appeal itself. Because single judge has clearly dealt with the provision of this government. It was not a, it is somebody's imagination. It was on the basis of the OEM of the government of Nagaland.
MSV Sokri. The learned additional AG. The application for stay of the impugned judgment and order dated 5/3/2024 passed by the learned single judge in WPC 312/27 shall be considered on the next return.
My lord.
Much obliged.
For admission, item number 3.
Yes.
Please, your lordship.
Yes, what is this?
Your lordship, it appears the state has filed their affidavit. I don't know whether it was this morning or yesterday.
Yesterday, my lord.
24.
I have also received a copy, a document from the NHI DCL Councils, your lordship.
Ah.
Apparently, this road, 329A National Highway, and the mode is to be executed by the PW National Highways, Nagaland, your lordship.
PWD.
Yes, your lordship. Entrusted by the MOT, the Ministry of Road Transport and Highways. So, my lord, according to their document, the program is included this year, but there is no definite timeline on when it is going to be executed, your lordship. Because the first thing, as my lords are fully aware, requisition and acquisition of land will have to precede the actual DPR, your lordship. And that process is what the petitioners actually want, my lord.
Which is Mr. Joshua, which is this stretch?
From Sematila to Mainamchi.
Sematila?
Sanctum Tila.
Are?
Your lordship, my apologies.
Sanctum Tila.
Yes, your lordship.
Sanctum Tila to Mainamchi.
Yes, my lord. Mainamchi.
Just the parent district.
That is the road we travel when this Pagla Bahar is
Yes,
closed.
your lordship. 329, yeah.
Oh.
As far as the order passed by the Honorable Court,
Let us,
my lord.
yes, we will see, but the affidavit is not there. Let us list it on Tuesday as a special this thing.
My lord. Your lordship.
Yes, Tuesday.
Lord.
Monday's chutti.
My lord,
Yes, Mr. LT.
after filing our affidavit, we have received latest instructions.
Very good. So you place that by Monday? You place that by Monday?
My lords.
Okay.
Yes, my
By Tuesday?
Yes, my lords.
Tuesday, okay, bro. Okay. EB is Wednesday, but I think or Wednesday.
Yes, my
Next
lord.
Wednesday, Mr. Joshua.
My lord, your lordship,
One day, I think it will not make any difference.
my lord.
You please all those, place all those documents on
Yes, my lord.
next Wednesday, okay?
Yes, my lord.
Lordship, otherwise, file an IA for deletion of respondent number 6 and 7, that is the NHRDCL lordship.
Huh.
We're making contention that since the stretch of road is entrusted to the state, we should not be implicated as a party in this proceedings. That is our prayer in the IL for striking off of our.
Yes, Mr. Joshua,
respondent.
striking NHIDCL.
After hearing on the next Wednesday.
There's also a gazette notification, lordship, that says that the stretch of road.
Your lordship, I've seen the gazette.
So.
I've seen the
relation
gazette,
regarding-
but I don't know what the state will say because according to the gazette, it appears to show that the stretch of road is to be executed by the PW National Highways, Nagaland.
Your lordships, we have categorically stated in our affidavit.
Oh, okay.
We had
Okay.
been handed down.
About the hand, okay,
However-
then next.
Yes, my
day.
lords.
I think we can pass orders.
My lord.
Lordship, lordship.
You please place this next. day.
Lordship,
Yes, my
Okay.
lord.
The affidavit filed by the state respondent is not on record. The registry to trace the same and place on record listed on 18,
Yes, lordship, 18.
18,
Yes, 18, lordship.
2024. Okay,
Obliged, lord.
Oblige your lordships.
yes.
For admission, item number 4.
Yeah, Mr. Lordships.
Yes.
Lordship, in the last occasion, I was directed to file the status of the setting up of blood bank in 4 districts, Lordship.
Submits that the process for constituting blood bank in the fourth district of
Yes,
Sang Kipirimo is under process.
Yes,
Therefore,
Lordship.
submits that the respondent may be allowed to complete the process.
yes. Now, Lordship, 80% of the equipments have already reached Kohima. And the remaining 20, Lordship, which is, we have to place order. The contractor has to place order before the company.
Okay.
And that has been done, Lordship. But because of the road condition,
Ah.
those are being very fragile.
That's a very good excuse, oh, I think.
No,
The,
Lordship.
the road condition has become a very, very good
Lordship.
excuse.
In fact, I've got all the challenge of the order place, Lordship.
Okay, so when can you complete the process?
Lordship, as per the instruction from the department.
Let
the
us
con-
not always extend, you give us a fixed
Yes.
date.
They are expected to install in all the 4 districts
Ah.
by 31st October, Lordship.
31st October.
Yes, Lordship. That instruction I've received, Lordship. Because all the equipments have been placed on order, Lordship. 80% we have received, 20 we are yet to receive, Lordship.
Mr. Ann Muzui, the Lena Standing Council for the respondent number 1 to 4,
Yes,
correct?
yes.
Submits that
2 to 4, Lordship, 2 to 4.
1 to 4.
No, Lordship, I'm appealing for 2 to 4.
So-
So one is the chief secretary.
Council for the respondent number 2 to 4 submits that.
As per the work order, 80% of the equipments are here in Kohima.
As per the work order, 80% of the equipment for constituting the blood bank in the 4 districts of Sang, Kipiri, Mon and Pek has been received. While 20% is yet to be received, and it is expected that the equipments will be received on or before 31.
The installation will be on or before 31. The equipments will be.
Will be received soon.
Yes, Lordship.
He therefore submits that some more time may be granted to complete the process of installation.
Lordship. If the matter can be listed in the first week of November, Lordship, that I can give the status report of the installation.
So 4 weeks' time is accordingly granted to the respondent number 2 to 4.
Lordship.
to install the blood bank. Is
Lordship,
it?
yes,
In the 4 districts of Toengsang, Kipri, Mon, and Pek,
Lordship,
listed on 6/11/2024.
Lordship,
Okay.
obliged, Lordship.
For admission, item number 5.
Yes, please.
May I please, your lordships?
Yes, yes.
Lordships, kindly list this matter on 25th.
Why that auspicious day?
Lordship, my senior, this leading counsel is currently out of station, Lordship.
Okay. Who is your leading counsel?
Is your Lordship.
You are Mr. V. Koza?
V. Koza, Lordship.
Mr. V. Koza. The learned counsel submits that Mr. Azo, the leading counsel for the
Petitioners, Lordship.
appellant,
Petitioner,
for the petitioner,
Lordship.
is out of station and therefore seeks adjournment of the case on 25/9/2024. Prayer is allowed, listed upon.
Lordship, there's an interim.
The interim order passed earlier shall continue till the next returnable date, okay?
Much obliged.
For admission, item number 6.
What is this?
May please, your lordships. This is a sumoto transfer petition.
Yes, state. What is kindly apprise this court? What is this?
Lordship, here the complainant, she has written a letter to the department to transfer the trial from district court Mokokchung to Dimapur, your lordship. So in view of that, in view of the section 22C for rules for administration, justice and police, where the department has the power to transfer, so we have transferred the case to be tried at Dimapur. So this court has taken the sumoto, your lordship, of this case, whether the state has the power to transfer the case, criminal case, your lordship.
When the CRPC has been made applicable in the state.
So we see that chapter 31 and section 407 of CRP falls under chapter 31. So that is not applicable in the state of Nagaland. That is the contention of the state.
May I, my lord?
Yes, it's not applicable, your lordship. It's not applicable in the state of.
My lord. This issue has
Just
already been
wait,
decided.
just wait. Let us see the voters.
11/03/2024, my lord.
Yes, kindly chronologically explain this effects. We want to hear more. Yes.
Victim is appearing. Who appears on behalf of the victim?
Victim.
You are appearing. Mr. Sophie.
Yes, Lordship.
So, you've gone through the Register General Gauhati High Court versus
Yes, yes.
What is
So-
the effect of that?
Yes. Lordship, if we read the Registrar General case, Your Lordship, here the division bench has clearly mentioned that CPC and CRPC will be applicable to the regularly constituted civil court and criminal court meant by the judicial members of judicial service, Your Lordship.
But in the instant case also, the case has been charge sheet filed. And
Yes.
This case was pending before the session court.
Yes,
And it
Lordship.
has been transferred. in
Yes.
Another session court.
Yes. So if we take the view of the Registrar General case, Your Lordship, then the state would not have the power, Lordship, to transfer, yes.
Then the order goes.
Yes. So now the conflict
order
is.
Order transferring the case from the Mokchung
Yes.
to Kohima passed by the state goes.
Yes. But in the interest of justice, Your Lordship, this court has also the power to transfer the case.
Whether the
If
application filed by the victim can be treated as a petition by this court?
Yes.
Do you have any authority to so?
Lordship, it's in my affidavit filed in pursuance of this court that is dated 29 February 2024. 29 February 2024. That is at page 9 and excerpt 3. An affidavit filed in pursuance of this court direction 7/12/2023. Page 9, Lordship. This is the letter by the victim sister.
Okay. So my query is whether this letter can be treated as an application before this court, according to you. You mean to say?
Lordship, this court,
Because this was filed before the government.
yes, this is the one that has been
Yes.
Against the order passed by the government. The matter was referred to the principal suit has actually directed the registry to
I am. Yes. Madam Sokre.
Yes, Lordship.
Whether the issue, the controversy as to whether the government or the court has the power has been decided by 11/3/2024. Para 6, therefore it appears that the provision of CRPC would be applicable to the regular constituted regular courts.
Yes.
Correct? So that issue is no more there.
Yes, so now it is only this court, whether this court can transfer the matter to.
No, not whether this court can transfer, that is not the right language. Whether this court will transfer or not,
Yes,
that
my
is
lord.
the issue.
Yes. So under, Lordship, under section 407, clause 2, this court can either act on the report of the lower court or on the application of a party interested or on its own initiative can transfer the case. from one court.
You're for the
Accused persons, my lord.
accused persons.
Yes, my lord.
Why are you obstructing the transfer? What is your interest?
My lord, there is no ground for transfer. Why transfer?
If actually the victim, they are apprehending that they will not get a proper trial because of your pressure.
No, my lord. I'm not pressuring anybody. Instead, I'm in custody for nearly 1 year without trial. And not
Yes.
even a single witness has been examined today, my lord.
Your offense is very serious. You have killed somebody.
No, my lord, but I deserve a speedy trial.
Okay, we transfer it and you have your trial here.
If I may, my lord.
Yes.
I may be also be allowed to make a submission.
You
Since
are for.
I'm appearing for accused 3, 8, and 9.
Uh,
The procedure in which the informant, the sister of the victim approached for transfer of the criminal case is illegal because she straight away wrote a letter to the advisor.
that issue no longer remains because actually this suo motu has been ordered on the direction of this court.
No, the issue is whether chapter 31 of the CRPC is applicable or not.
That is not applicable. This court has
That's
said.
why the procedure for transfer is illegal because she did not approach the lower court or high court. She just straight away approached advisor of law and justice, which is an executive.
What do you mean by suo motu? What do you mean by suo motu?
Suo motu on his own action.
Yes, and who
But
has given the suo motu direction? It is the Chief Justice.
But my,
On the administrative side, the Chief Justice has given the suo motu order.
I've relied on Supreme Court 2006 SEC 204.
What it says?
On para 7. The purpose of the criminal trial is to dispense fair and impartial justice uninfluenced by extraneous consideration. When it is shown that public confidence in the fairness of the trial will be seriously undermined, any party can seek the transfer of a case within the state under Section 407 and anywhere in the country under Section 406 CRPC.
Say, Mr.
Of not getting.
That is while discussing the relevant provisions of CRPC on transfer. This is a suo motu case.
My lord, please allow me to make a submission in the interest of my client. Their convenience for the purpose of transfer means.
You first explain to this court under what provisions of law that judgment was passed.
Under 407.
Exactly, that's why I'm saying. That was under 407. This is a case where actually the matter has been referred by the Chief Justice. So that's why we call it suo motu.
Yeah, it is suo motu, but the Supreme Court has decided that the convenience of the
Say,
witnesses-
Mr.
the convenience of the witnesses accused have also to be looked into, not only the condition of the victim.
For the interest of justice, this court may apply its mind. There is no hard and fast rule that we have to see only one particular point. We will see the overall. We will hear you, we will see the overall. And if we feel that the justice at Mokokchung will not be possible for the informant because of different factors, why should you actually obstruct this court from transferring the matter?
My lord, these are mere apprehensions. Kindly allow us to give our submission, my lord, on these points. See now, the murder took place on 21st February 2023. And after that,
there is not even a single FIR or a report or a document placed before this honorable court stating that the complainant or the witnesses have been threatened. Neither did the complainant nor the witnesses seek for police protection, my lord. There is not even a single complaint after the murder took place, my lord, after the incident. These are just mere apprehension. And one
See,
incident occurred.
The action of threat started only when the trial commenced. See the complaint?
No, my lord.
Yes.
That is not true.
Am I right, Mr.?
Yes.
See, my lord.
And Lordship, in our affidavit,
An incident happened on 20 July 2023. One incident happened. I was personally present at Mokujung on that day. And as per the report of the Office of the Public Prosecutor.
After the incident, the police investigated the matter and thereafter charge sheeted the accused, and thereafter the charge sheet was submitted to the court and the court issued summons for trial.
Yes, my lord.
And it was only during the trial that actually the family members, or for that matter, the person connected with the accused started tricking the informant.
No, my lord. There is
That
nothing on record.
That is why
No, my
this
lord.
petition.
No.
That is why this petition.
No, my lord. There is not even a single complaint or FIR after that the murder took place, my lord.
Okay, if you say that actually like you deserve a speedy trial, why don't we transfer the case?
Well,
and then allow you to have a speedy trial?
My lord, in this case, there are 45 witnesses. Trial has already been delayed, and there will be further delay of trial if the case is transferred out of Mokujung. There are 45 witnesses.
How do you apprehend that?
There are 45 witnesses here, my lord. And there will be further delay of trial if the case is transferred out of Mokujung. And it will not only deny justice to the accused, but also to the victim. Justice delayed is justice denied. So it will not only hamper justice to the accused, but also to the victim, my lord. So in the interest of both the victim.
The victim is before this court because
and
of
the
your
accused.
nefarious activities.
No, my lord. See, my lord, one incident happened on 20 July 2023 in the court premises, that too. And if you go as per the letter dated 18/8/2023 of the of the Office of the Public Prosecutor, it was the family of the victim who caused the commotion, who created the situation. The whole apprehension, this situation is created by the family of the victim here, my lord. So there is no point of transferring the case. It will just delay trial, my lord. And I've been incarcerated in custody for nearly 1 year now, more than 1 year, without even one witness being examined, my lord.
Lordship, we have sought the views and comments from the Deputy Commissioner Mokokchung, the SP of Mokokchung, and even the Public Prosecutor from Mokokchung. I have annexed all the documents here. So they all stated that the case ought to be transferred because of the commotions. There will not be a fair trial if it is conducted in Mokokchung, Lordship.
My lord, instead, it is the accused who should be seeking for transfer, not the victim. Not the family of the victim, it is the accused who should be seeking, but I'm not seeking. I have full confidence.
You say that the victim is.
That I have full confidence that the learned distinguished agent Judge Mokujung will deliver me justice.
For end of justice, because this would be a stranger place for both the parties.
But my lord, it will delay trial. Trial has already been delayed.
If
1 year without trial, my lord.
Yeah, so the court will give direction.
There are 45 witnesses, my lord.
To complete that.
And it will incur huge financial burden on the witnesses also. It will incur huge financial burden on the
We are not
witnesses.
on all
if the
those.
case is
We
transferred.
are only seeing whether the cause of justice will be served by transferring or by not transferring.
Yes, my lord. Very much, my lord. But trial will be delayed if the case is transferred, my lord. There are 45 witnesses in this present case. And the commotion is created not by the accused, but by the victim, family of the victim here.
Yes, start.
With please, your lordships.
Yes.
Lordships, there are all total 9 accused in this case.
Hmm.
I'm for accused number 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Now here the
You are
victim,
for accused number, your name?
A. Sophie, my lord.
A.
Sophie.
for accused number one.
1, 2,
How many total? How many?
9 accused, my lord.
9.
I'm for 6 of the accused.
4, 1,
1, 2,
2,
4,
4,
5, 6,
5, 6,
and 7.
7. Okay. And you, Mr.
My lord, I'm for accused person 3, 8, and 9.
Your name?
Pakin Rizal, my lord.
For respondent number?
Accused 3, 8, and 9.
Accused.
Yes. Yes, my lord.
How many witnesses?
45, my lord.
30?
45, my lord.
45,
Yes, my lord.
including official witnesses.
Yes, my lord.
Yes.
So, my lord, my humble submission before this honorable court is that after the incident which happened on 21/2/2023, the alleged murder took place on 21/2/2023. Thereafter,
Take us to the materials, to the records.
yes, my lord, I filed my affidavit.
Chronologically, take us the complaint, how it started, everything, how it started.
So initially, my lord, this an application was put up by the sister of the victim,
Your
seeking
affidavit,
for,
you file affidavit
yes, my lord,
on
on 1st May 2024. 1st May 2024.
If additional affidavit, respondent number 2. You are respondent number 2.
No, my lord. That is the affidavit of the complainant, the victim.
Where is your affidavit?
yes.
You got it, brother?
Just a minute. First name.
A3, A20, A3, A3, A8, A9. Okay, this is one thing. Then this is A2, A2, A.
First May.
A4.
First.
Where is the affidavit for A1?
A1, A2, A4,
We-
A5, A6, A7.
This is affidavit in opposition file on behalf of Mr.
My affidavit. First May. Filing my affidavit.
You got it, brother?
Yes.
Yes. Affidavit in opposition of A2, A4.
A1, A2, A4, my lord.
We are not getting A1.
Triple X, my lord. Triple X would be A1, my lord.
Why triple X for the
His
accused?
name has been concealed, my lord,
Why?
because he is a person living with HIV, my lord.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Your Lordships, the counsel for the complainant is not here. Please fix the matter next week, Your Lordship.
Complainant means victim only. Informant
Yes.
is a victim.
She's not
You
here.
are there?
The counsel for the complainant is not
And you
here.
are from?
I'm appearing on behalf of Imgong Senla Jamir, Lordship. But actually, I'm not in this case. I'm just appearing on behalf of her only.
You have filed any affidavit? No. Okay. State is there.
The complainant has filed an affidavit, my lord. Respondent number 2. Additional affidavit.
On behalf of respondent number 2.
Yes, my lord.
2 is the informant.
Yes, my lord.
Any informant number 1? Respondent number 1?
State.
For the state.
You're 1?
Yes,
1?
yes,
Okay,
yes.
okay.
And 2 is the complainant.
Okay, okay. Respondent number 1. That is no more relevant, but where did the state transfer the case? Which session division?
To Dimapur, Your Lordship.
This additional affidavit is filed by respondent number 2.
Yes, my lord.
It is again represented by you.
No, my lord. They have their own counsel, but he is subject to the.
No, so you said that this 1st May is on behalf
On behalf of
filed on behalf of respondent number.
No,
One,
they-
two-
one, two,
they're-
accused.
They're accused.
They're accused. 1,
So-
2, 4, 6, and 7.
1, 2,
4, 6, and 7. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, and 7.
1, 2, 4, 5, 6.
and then this 1st May you have filed on behalf of 1, 2, 4, 6, and 7.
Yes, my lord.
Okay. So the respondent number 2 separately,
The respondent number 3, 8, and 9 separate.
that is separate. And then this on behalf of respondent number 2.
Yes, my lord.
So 2 also you represent.
No, 2 is the complainant, the victim complainant.
This is additional affidavit. 2.
We will reflect your name. That's all right. We will reflect your name. Yes.
So,
Please, your lordships. Lordships, I am objecting to the transfer on the grounds that after the incident took place on 21/02/2023, there is not even a single complaint or FIR placed on record to the effect that the complainant and the witness have been harassed or threatened. And there is not even a single document placed on record to show that the witnesses and the complainant has sought for police protection, my lord. Then further, there are 45 witnesses all total in this case. And if the case is transferred out of Mokuchung, it will cause inordinate delay in trial, my lord. And it will also cause huge financial burden to the witnesses. Then thirdly, the commotion took place on 20 July 2023. A commotion took place in the court premises, my lord. And it is very clear from the letter of the Office of the Public Prosecutor that the whole commotion was caused by the family of the victim, my lord. And the accused herein have been in custody.
Where is the letter? You make your submission
Yes, my
as per
lord.
the materials available.
I've enclosed the letter at annexure A.
You take us.
Yes, my lord. At page
You
number
take
5.
us.
Page number 5. Page 5 of my affidavit, my
Ah.
lord. May I read, my lord? Consequently, may I read, my lord, the relevant portion? Consequently, a commotion erupted between the parties and some family members of the victim.
where are we?
My lord, second para, at page number 5 of my affidavit.
Yes.
The letter to the Assistant Public Prosecutor Mokuchung. Consequently, a commotion erupted between the parties and some family members of the victim started to abuse the accused verbally and
Second
making it.
paragraph.
Yes, my lord.
Second paragraph start with the answering the opponent.
No, my lord. At page 5, annexure A of my affidavit.
This one. Page 5.
Page 5, annexure A of my affidavit.
But this letter is written by
The
Assistant Public Prosecutor
Yes.
Mokokchung Nagaland to Assistant Public Prosecutor Mokokchung Nagaland.
Yes, my lord.
How is it possible? I am writing the letter to me.
No, my lord. That is not my lookout, my lord. It is the office of the.
That is not your lookout over. I'm
No.
asking you for explanation on this.
No, my lord. See, it is the office of the public prosecutor.
That's why.
Yes.
To the Assistant Public Prosecutor Mokokchung Nagaland and
Yes.
written by yours faithfully, Assistant Public Prosecutor Mokokchung Nagaland.
Yes, my lord.
Arey bhai, strange.
The retainer APP might have written it to the regular cadre, my lord.
Okay.
Therefore, it's very clear, evident from this also, my lord, that the whole commotion was caused by the family of the victim. And the accused has been in custody for more than 1 year. Until date, the charges has been framed against the accused. CC has been conducted, my lord.
When was the CC conducted?
It was conducted, I believe, in the month of October, my lord, last year.
Okay.
Until date, not even a single witness have been examined, my lord. And if the case is transferred again, it will cause inordinate delay in trial.
Date?
I believe it's 13 October, my lord.
Please don't believe, make it definite.
13 October 2023. The CC has been conducted, and till date, not even a single witness has been examined. And I'm in custody without trial, my lord, for nearly now one year. Therefore, I most humbly pray that a speedy trial may be conducted at District and Session Judge Makachung, my lord. That is my humble prayer, my lord.
Your Lordship, I apologize for my indulgence. Actually, we have not been instructed for argument.
You have not been instructed?
Yes, yes.
We'll instruct you, it's all right, no problem.
We're not in this well versed with the case, Your Lordship.
Okay.
Actually, on the last order, they have sought time to file affidavit.
So they have filed, huh? They have filed.
Okay.
They have filed, you have filed affidavit as per the last submission?
My lord, if need be, we were to reply.
So you know, you
No, my
will not
lord.
be filing reply?
No, my lord.
We will not, you will not be filing reply?
No, my lord.
Your Lordship, kindly list the matter next week.
We have already understood the case. We have understood. Now we have to, brother and me, myself, we have to deliberate whether to send whether to retain the case at Mogoktung or whether to send it somewhere.
Your Lordship,
That's all.
it will be prejudiced to the informant if the counsel is not present here. We were just instructed to enter appearance.
Your counsel knows that, the counsel knows that the matter is listed today. Your heard MS Visokri, correct? Learned counsel for the respondent number 1. And MS, your name?
Abi.
So and so, learned counsel represents the respondent number 2 on behalf of? On behalf of?
Respondent to.
On behalf of the name of the council?
Income Sung Lajamya.
On behalf of?
Income Sung Lajamya.
Okay, so and so. Also heard Mr. A. Sophie, learned counsel for the respondent number, accused number 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And Mr. Pankiri Chabo, learned counsel for the respondent number 3, 8, and 9. But the matter in part listed on 17/9, Tuesday, 17/9/2024. We are keeping it as part heard. Kindly tell the council.
For admission, item number 7. Please, Your Lordship.
Yes.
My lord, kindly allow me 2 weeks' time to file affidavit. The affidavit is under preparation, my lord.
Are you sure?
Yes, my lord. I've received
You are
instruction.
for the respondent number? Mr. Tiba,
Yes.
you're for the respondent number? 1, 2, 3, 4.
All the respondents.
What about 5? You are not for 5, you are
Yes,
not for
yes.
union.
Yeah, no.
Who is
all-
representing
respondent 1 to 4.
union? Pardon, ma'am? Who? Oh. Mr. E. Tivapom, the learned counsel for the respondent number 1, the learned government advocate for the respondent number 1 to 4, submits that the affidavit is under preparation.
Yes, ma'am.
And he will be filing the same in 2 weeks' time.
Yes.
And therefore seeks adjournment of the case for 2 weeks. Prayer is allowed. Stop. The learned CGSC is also given time to file the affidavit in opposition. Okay, listed after 2 weeks.
Much obliged.
For orders, item number 8.
This Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, this matter will be listed before other bench.
Why?
Lordship, judgment under challenge is passed by. Lordship
Okay. Yes, your judgment. Okay, okay.
Lordship, registry must be remanded.
That is why we have told the bench assistant, please kindly tell them to see the order at least before placing the case. It's not just because actually the case is listed today, just tell them to see the last order or. Who is the in charge? Tell Mr. Anil. Don't tell them to just casually fix the case, okay? Yes, we have taken note of your concern. List the case before any other bench without one of us. Within bracket, Justice Budi Abu.
For orders, item numbers 9 and 10.
What is this?
Your Lordship, on 7 August, there was a direction by this court to serve copy to respondent number 2. And it was duly served on 12th of August.
Yes, Mr. Kiangami.
Yes, Lordship.
Who is for the R2?
The victim's father, if I.
This for service of notice upon the said respondent through the officer in charge. So it has been served.
It has been served.
The
And
letter
the
has been
acknowledgement
received. Yes.
has been duly given to the registry.
This place, okay. What is the allegation? 376 POXO.
POXO. He was convicted under section 4, aggravated sexual assault.
What was the order you were referring? Which order?
On the last order.
7-8.
7-8.
That is the last order?
That was the last order.
Okay. Yes. Yes, we give a direction to appoint a legal aid counsel.
Lordship.
Yes. So that there can be no delay. Third, Mr. V. Theo, learned counsel for the applicant. And Mr. Kiangami, the learned public prosecutor for the state respondents. By the order dated 7/8/2024, the learned counsel for the applicant was directed to take steps for service of notice upon the respondent number 2, correct? Respondent number 2, through the officer in charge of police station, of concerned police station, within a period of 7 days. Just, if you can just, it does not speak about service of notice. This week. Served only. Mr. Kiangami.
Yes, Lordship.
The concerned officer in charge does not say whether he has served the notice to the respondent number 2.
Okay, Lordship.
He does not say, and you see the office note, a letter dated 12/8/2024 has been received from the officer in charge, Women Police Station, Peg, Nagaland, acknowledging the receipt of the copies of the service of notice to be served upon respondent number 2.
Lordship.
He has only received the notice to be served upon respondent number 2.
Lordship.
He does not say whether respondent number 2 has been served with this notice. You take steps. I think you will have to personally communicate this order to the IO
Lordship,
or
Lordship.
whoever,
Yes,
the officer
Lordship.
in charge?
Lordship.
We will give some observation.
Lordship.
Okay. Okay, ma'am, what was the order? Within a period of 7 days, na? From the date of the order. This court has seen the acknowledgement of the receipt dated 12/8/2024, signed by the officer in charge, Women Police Station, Hek, Nagaland. And also the office note dated 3/9/2024. Reading the acknowledgement of the receipt and the office note, nowhere shows that the notice directed to be served on the respondent number 2 has been served, nor has the respondent number 2 acknowledged receipt of the notice. Stop. In that view of the matter, we would request Mr. Kiangami, the learned PP, to actually communicate with the officer in charge, Pek Women Police Station, Pek, Nagaland, and to ascertain whether the notice of service upon the respondent number 2 as directed by this court on 7/8/2024 has already been served upon the said respondents. And obtain necessary report to that effect. Stop. A copy of this order shall be furnished to Mr. Kiangami, the learned public prosecutor, for onward transmission to the officer in charge, Woka Police Station, Pek, Nagaland. Pek, Nagaland. Listed.
2 weeks, Lordship.
Okay.
Your Honor.
Listed after 2 weeks. Okay. Lordship.
Bless you.
For hearing, item number 29.
29. Yes. What is this?
May it please your lordships. Your lordships, this is a very short matter.
Ah.
The present appellant was a respondent number 8 in the earlier proceedings, your lordship, before the learned single bench. Now here, the error that the learned single bench committed is the other party, that is the petitioner before the learned single bench, They claim to be
You were
landowners.
respondent number 8.
Yes, my lord, before a learned single bench. So the respondent number 1, present respondent number 1, who was the petitioner, he claimed appointment on the basis of land ownership. But the fact is that they have already received appointment on the basis of land ownership. So both the private respondent, the present appellant, as well as the state took the ground that there can be no appointment in perpetuity as per the memorandum of 2018, Your Lordship. And the appointment was made after that. Unfortunately, while the learned single bench was passing the order in the final judgment, the office memorandum of 2022 was made applicable, whereas the memorandum of 2018,
What is that 2022?
that is without even advertisement.
Acha, acha.
Yes, Your Lordship. So it was retrospectively applied.
If difficulties are faced by the department.
Yes, Your Lordship.
That is.
So, my lord, it is a fact that even my client, the present appellant, he was also appointed without proper advertisement. That is there, Your Lordship, which is an admitted fact. But at the most, the learned single bench could have directed the state to conduct a proper recruitment through an advertisement, Your Lordship, which was not done. It was said that because the vacancy arose before 2018, the learned single bench held that 2018 notification cannot be retrospectively applied. But the 2022 notification was retrospectively applied, Your Lordship. So basically, that is the case, Your Lordship. Then once we go through the documents, Your Lordship.
You are the respondent number 8.
Yes, my lord.
Respondent,
before the-
private respondent.
Yeah, private respondent number 8 before the learned single bench. So then my appointment has gone.
And the private respondent came before this court saying that he is a landowner, the petitioner.
Yes.
The petitioner.
Yes, Your Lordship.
And the learned single judge has actually given the judgment in his favor.
Yes, my
To
lord.
appoint him, or
Yes, Your Lordship.
he is appointed.
I do not know whether he is already appointed or not, but Your Lordship, a direction was issued that he should be appointed. And my lord, it is a fact, an admitted fact that they have already received appointment on the basis of land ownership.
No review file,
My lord,
no review application file.
a review application was filed, which was also rejected. But as far as the review application is concerned, it was beyond the jurisdiction, so it was actually unnecessary, but it was handled by the councils, Your Lordship. So I do not want to comment further, my lords.
Respondent number 1
My lord.
is the petitioner therein.
Yes,
The
my
writ
lord, before a learned single judge.
Where is he? Has he participated?
He has refused to participate in the case, though we have served a dusty notice also, but he refused, and we have filed an affidavit to that aspect, Your Lordships.
Mr. Joshua, let us see the order passed by the learned single judge,
My lords,
the operative portion only.
my lord, my lord.
Which portion?
Starting from page 20, my lord, 20.
Starting from 20.
My lord. May I read, Your Lordships?
Just wait, I'm just. 20.
My lord.
Okay.
Now, my lord, the operative portion starts from paragraph 9, my lord.
Paragraph 9.
Yes, Your Lordships, page 26, 26. I have heard the submission made by the learned counsel for the parties, and I have perused the materials available on record. 10, my lord, the claim of the petitioner is for appointment to the post of medicine career, while which became vacant on account of promotion of the incumbent as VFA. The petitioner applied for the said post by submitting his application on 6/6/2016, along with testimonials to show that he belongs to landowner clan. While such application was being made, 2 other applications were also submitted by 2 individuals before the Directorate of Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Services. As a result, the additional director, veterinary or Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Services forwarded all the 3 applications to the Chief Veterinary Officer, Waka Nagaland, for consideration as per the standing government guidelines, that is, guidelines issued by the PNR department by OM number so-and-so, dated 4/6/2016. While the matter was pending before the Chief Veterinary Officer, the 2 other applicants, leaving aside the petitioner, submitted application to the Chief Veterinary Officer for withdrawing their applications. Upon such withdrawal, the Chief Veterinary Officer forwarded the name of the petitioner to the Director of Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Services, recommending his appointment to the post of medicine career. The same was in turn forwarded by the Director, Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Services to the Principal Secretary, Government of Nagaland. Despite the same, the petitioner was not recommended for appointment to the post, and instead, it is the respondent number 8 whose name came to be recommended via communication.
Just interruption, sorry.
Lordship.
You are the respondent number 8.
My lord.
And you were appointed.
Yes, my lord.
Okay, and the petitioner has challenged your appointment.
Yes, your lordship, on the
ground
basis
that
of
he is
land
land-
ownership. Yes, your lordship.
Okay, please, yes.
So petitioner respondent number 8, whose name came to be recommended via communication dated 6/11/2018. As for the respondent number 8, the basis on which his name was approved by the government for appointment to the post of medicine career was admittedly on account of the recommendation made by the advisor horticulture to the advisor animal husbandry and veterinary services. In other words, no process was taken to consider the case of the respondent number 8. There is no dispute to the fact that on account of land ownership, various departments under the state government have been given the benefit of appointment to the members belonging to the clan of landowners. The same can be appreciated from the OM dated 3/3/2022, my lord, issued by the Chief Secretary to the Government of Nagaland on the subject filling up of Group D post to the department. Corrigendum issued REG. The contents of the OM may be abstracted herein under for ready perusal. So this is memorandum dated 3rd March 2022, subject filling up of Group D post in the department, corrigendum issued REG. The procedure of filling up grade 4 posts in the government has been laid down via office memoranda number so-and-so dated 26/10/2017 and 24/3/2018. The latter memorandum lays down that applications for recruitment to the post should be called through open advertisement. 2. Following difficulties expressed by various departments on account of the fact that in many cases, Group D posts such as chowkidars, malis, and peons are filled by landowners or on compassionate ground and locally at the district, subdivision, or village level. The matter was considered by the Cabinet in its meeting held on 9 February 2022 and 22nd February 2022. In order to remove such difficulties, it is hereby directed that the condition of advertisement is dispensed with wherever such difficulties are faced by the department, as long as fair and transparent eligibility criteria and process is followed, and in all such cases, approval of the government is obtained. 3. All requirements is laid down by the government with regard to compassionate appointment of landowners, as well as reservation for backward tribes and persons with disabilities shall be adhered to while following the instructions contained in this OM. This issues with the approval of the competent authority. Then, my lord, 11. From the abstract, it can be seen that the requirement of floating advertisement can be dispensed with for filling up posts on account of difficulties faced by the department, as long as the procedure adopted is carried out in a fair and transparent manner and the approval of the government is obtained. Such situation arises in case of compassionate appointment and also appointment from amongst landowners besides others. Therefore, it is clear that some consideration is to be given to landowners for being appointed against Group D posts. The respondents have relied upon the notification dated 5/3/2018 and 16/8/2018, which provides that appointment given to landowners cannot be carried out in perpetuity, and that the same is one-time benefit given to landowners. However, in the instant case, as may be seen, the post in question fell vacant on account of the promotion of the incumbent on 19/5/2016. And therefore, the two notifications issued subsequently, in my considered view, cannot be made applicable retrospectively. This is the observation, my lord. 12, my lord. Now coming to the case of the respondent number 8 again, as already stated in paragraph 10 above, he was appointed as medicine carrier on the recommendation made by the advisor horticulture to the advisor animal husbandry and veterinary services on 17/7/2018. There is no material on record to show that any process was undertaken to give him the benefit of such appointment. The respondent number 8, although is said to be an indigenous inhabitant of Waka, but he admittedly is not from the clan which donated land in question. Therefore, he does not qualify to be appointed from the category of landowner. Thus, upon having regard to the submissions made by the rival parties, I am of the considered view that there is merit in the writ petition and that the appointment of respondent number 8 cannot be sustained. Accordingly, the same is set aside. The respondents are now directed to consider the case of the petitioner in terms of their recommendations made by the Director, Animal Husbandry and the Veterinary Services to the Principal Secretary to the Government of Nagaland. Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Services on 15/1/2018. Such consideration shall be done as expeditiously as possible, at any rate within a period of 6 weeks from the date of receipt of a certified copy of this order. So, my lord,
Whether you are still in service,
lordship, I'm no more in service.
you have been terminated
Yes, your lordship.
pursuant to this order,
Yes, my lord.
and anyone appointed?
That information, your lordship, I do not have, my lord. My lord, the fact is that 2018 notification, which says that.
Let us see
Yes,
the
my lord.
2018 notification. 2000, there are two notifications.
Yes, your lordship.
Let us see, let us see.
My lords, your lordships. 5/3/2018 and 16/8/2018. Your lordship, 5/3/2018 is at page number 98, my lord.
98.
Yes, your lordship.
'98.
On the top, my lord, page number is written on the top,
Ah.
page 98. May I read, my lords?
Yes.
Especially 3C, my lord.
No, just read.
Lordship. Notification dated Kohima, 5th March 2018, issued by the Government of Nagaland Land Revenue Department in pursuance of approval of the Cabinet OM number so and so, dated 13/12/2017. The Governor of Nagaland is pleased to notify the following policy with regard to appointments to grade 4 posts under the Government of Nagaland on land ownership basis. 1A, it has been laid down by notification number so and so dated 26/7/2005 that no land shall be acquired free of cost and all land shall be acquired on payment of full compensation as determined by law. No further condition for employment in service or contractual works should be entertained. Therefore, in case any department has entered into an agreement with the landowners in deviation of the laid down policy on or after 26/7/2005, such agreement shall be treated as null and void. The department concerned shall take necessary
Okay,
action according to. Yes.
when did the petitioner convey his land? What is the case of the petitioner?
So, your lordship, as far as the petitioner's case is concerned, the first part will not touch, only the 3C, your lordship.
No. I just want to have a knowledge. When did the petitioner convey the land? If he is claiming to be a landowner, what was his case in the writ petition?
His case was that he is a landowner.
And he has donated?
His clan has donated the land. Our case is that they have already received appointment.
No. I have got it. But his clan has donated the land.
Yes, your lordship.
When?
63 and 64. Let me see. My lord. Your lordship, there is no date as such, but the land ownership certificate was issued by the Pangti village GBs.
When?
It was in the year 2016, while he was pursuing for the post.
And he applied for land ownership.
On the basis of land ownership.
2015.
In 2016, his application was submitted in 2016, 6/6/2016.
So if he submits his application, if he has submitted the application in the year 2016.
Yes, my lord.
Then 1A will be made applicable to him.
Oh, your lordship.
1A.
Yes, my lord. I got.
1A.
I believe I have understood
Correct.
what my lord has said. But
no appointment on land ownership basis.
Your lordship, as far as the land is concerned, perhaps it was donated long time back. Yes, your lordship. It's just the no objection certificate issued by the.
In other cases, prior to this.
Lordship. As far as whether it was donated before. Yes.
This notification can be applied retrospectively as per the wordings.
Of course, Your Lordship, but in fact, even the appointment was made after 2018. So, Your Lordship.
Oh, after 2018,
Yes,
the landowner.
appointment of the petitioner was after 2018. So, the question of whether it is.
No, I am a little
My lord.
confused. Who was appointed, whether you or the petitioner?
I was appointed, Your Lordship.
You were appointed.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Then where does the question of appointment of the landowner comes?
Your Lordship, because he was, as far as the petitioner is concerned, his clan members have already received appointment earlier. So the question of whether more landowners can be appointed, that's where the notification of 5/3/2000.
And that too after 2018.
Yes, Your Lordship. So the learned single judge said that since the vacancy arose in 2016, then the discretion of the government on when to appoint a vacancy may have arisen 10 years back. It is the liberty of the government to appoint even after 10 years also. There is my respectful submission that it's not the jurisdiction of the Honorable Court to interfere unless there are clear arbitrary actions.
Whether there is a stay of this judgment, whether there is a stay.
No, Your Lordship.
No stay.
No stay, Your Lordship.
And you are also not aware as to whether the petitioner in the writ petition has been appointed or not.
Yes, Your Lordship. That I'm not aware, my lord.
You get the information?
My lord.
We'll also make an observation not to appoint if not appointed.
My lord. Your Lordship.
Okay.
Can I make an inquiry now, Your Lordship?
Yes, you can make. You can make.
2 minutes, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Oblige, Your Lordship.
As per 1C. I think this. The benefit of clause 1A and clause 1 is 3. Clause 3C is fulfilled. The government has clause 3A. If this is fulfilled, so yes, Mr. Joshua.
My lords, I'm told that the petitioner is appointed towards the end of last year. Already appointed.
Okay.
So that is why he has refused to even accept the dusty service also. And we had to file an affidavit in that respect, Your Lordship.
Mr. Chiba.
Yes, my lord.
Can you kindly file an affidavit stating that the petitioner has been appointed with
Okay.
along with the appointment order?
Appointment order.
I think that will be more proper for us also.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Because I think the order passed by the learned single judge, I think it needs more proper examination.
Yes.
My lord.
Yes.
Okay, my lord. I'll do that.
Because if 1A and if 3C is fulfilled, no recourse can be taken to 1A or 3A for appointment of lay members.
Yes, my
That's
lord.
very clear. So, but we don't have that record appointing the petitioner.
Yes, my lord.
So you kindly just 1-2 line affidavit and close that order.
Okay. Okay.
Can it be possible next week? I think this will not take much time for us also.
Then, my lord, in that case, specific direction may be issued so that I can receive the instruction at the earliest.
Heard Mr. Oh, I'm sorry. Heard Mr. Joshua Shakti, the learned counsel for the petitioner, and Mr. E. Tibapong, the learned government advocate for the state respondents.
2 to 5.
Respondent number 2 to 5.
Performer, my lord.
Performer.
Yes.
Performer.
Yes, Your Lordship. My lord.
In the course of the hearing of the case, on a query as to whether the respondent number 1, Mr. Joshua.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Respondent number 1 in the present appeal, who is also the writ petitioner, has been appointed the review petition.
There was a review petition also, Your Lordship. But fairly submitting, Your Lordship, the review petition was rightly rejected, my lord.
As to whether, what was that last? Has been appointed. In terms of the order dated 24/3/2023, correct? Passed by this court.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Mr. Joshua, the Joshua Shakti, the learned counsel for the petitioner, learned counsel for the appellant submits that he has been reliably informed that the respondent number 1 / writ petitioner has been appointed to what post, you are not aware, huh?
Medicine carrier, Your Lordship.
Has been appointed to the post of medicine carrier sometime in the month of December. Sometime in the,
October, somewhere in the month of October or so, Your Lordship.
sometime in the month of October/November
Yes, my lord.
2023.
Lordship.
Stop. If that be so, Mr. E. Tibapong, the learned government advocate, shall obtain proper instruction and shall file an affidavit enclosing a copy of the order appointing the respondent number 1/writ petitioner. Stop. The affidavit as directed by this code shall be filed within a period of
2 weeks, my lord, at least. 2 weeks. Because tomorrow is Friday. Monday is holiday. Oh, Tuesday, Thursday.
next Thursday.
Next Thursday. Okay.
My lord.
Definitely, okay. Shall be definitely filed shall be definitely filed on 26/9/2024. Stop. An endeavor shall be made to hear and dispose the case on the next date fixed.
My lord.
Okay.
Bless your lordship.
Much obliged.
No. We never know what will happen. Okay, over.
Yes, 26. 26.
Next Thursday, this is the correct time. Yes. 2 weeks. I thought tomorrow is Friday.